What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jaguar F-Pace smart key remote fob. This Jaguar F-Pace key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do in order to replace the key fob battery is we're going to grab our key fob and I'm going to slide this metal piece on the side up. So it'll push up about that far, and then it will pull off of there. And then we can see our emergency key is right here in this holder. I'm going to slide that out. This is what I'm going to use to open the key fob. If your emergency key is missing, you can use a flathead screwdriver or something similar. But I'm going to put the key in that slot like that, and then just pry up. And you can see it splits the two halves apart. Go ahead and pull them the rest of the way apart. And then in the one half, we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out of this holder like that. I'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you install this with the plus side up. The battery needs to have the plus side up. Slide it into that holder. Then we can snap these two halves back together. Put the emergency key back down in its holder. And then this metal piece will push on here like that, and then slide down just that little bit to lock into place. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.